This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. I hope everyone's had a great weekend, ready for a great week. Should be an interesting one. Let's see what the markets have done overnight. We dipped down to 767 on NQ. We're pretty much at the highs right now, 901, so 123 points in range. ES 55.53 for the low. The high right now 55.85, so it's like 32 points in range. Big overnight range. Kappa about mid-range of a wow. They got up to 5.2. Wait, I must be looking at a daily chart. Never mind, that's not the right chart. How about that? Well, we'll have to eyeball it. I was going to say that didn't sound right. About 160 ticks of range there. Ultra bond. About 3/4 of a point. Gold. Ooh, dipping. Dipping under 2,400 again. About 16 points in range. Crude oil's been dipping. Trying to hold 78. It's about a point in range. Natural gas. Also, it's a daily chart. Natural gas is rising up. And then Bitcoin is doing well. Not doing quite as well. Got up to, it's like 68.5. It's down 67.5, but still good recovery. Anyway, so that's what we're sitting down there with everybody. Posture you're choosing to take on this fine Monday morning here in July. So ready to rock and rumble. To make some trades here. MyFundedFutures account, ready to rock. I want to rock. I want to rock. Okay. Pulls back a little bit here. Just a little bit. ATR is just under 5. Good morning, Juan. How are you doing today? Gold, just look at that chart on gold. Almost perfectly following the 9 down 9 near. Pops above it and right back below it down. I am, thank you. Little purple candle there. Gold on the bounce. We have no news this morning. Purple candle went away. We're continuing up. These are highs of the day, 912. So if we go back and we look at Friday, high on Friday for NQ is 979, 976, 979. ES 607 half. So we've got a little ways to go before we get to there. Of course, saw a huge sell-off over the whole week last week. See how that goes today. And another attempt at a purple here. Gold drops right back down. Purple stays away. And we're sitting here right under 910. There's a purple. Sniffing that 9. We're short off that purple. And at 904, our stop's at 911, so 7-point stop. It's going to take it if it gets down to that 20 EMA. It's not moving real fast right now. No news catalyst this morning. Looking more like a bounce here. Maybe not. Come on. Yep, it's bouncing on me. Come on back. It's teasing me. Come on, just a little bit more. There we go. Target hit. So we start the day off with a win. 3 points. But it's a win, 60 bucks. Gold still coming down. Crude trying to bounce down there. Expecting it to bounce here. Continues down. So I could have got 5 instead of 3, but that's okay. There's the bounce I thought was going to happen. Hanging here at 905. 1 for 1 so far. Gold still dying over there. Hanging on 20. Folks, we'll be streaming tonight. Asia stream Monday evenings. 7 Eastern. Wow. Back down to 900. Bounces there on the band. Stagnant. Interesting to see what kind of volatility we get today. Last week was incredibly volatile. Nice pop back up. A nice pop. Thought about it. Bounce off that band like that was nice. Our high day, 912, so we're just 2 points under it. Looks like it's going to make another run higher. Oh, look at the bounce on gold. Whoosh, finally. Boom, boom, bah. Boom, boom, bah. Oh, sorry. That was weird. That was weird. Pulls back there again after hitting 910, 911. So that's about 912. So it's about double topping from about 10 minutes earlier. Let's see what happens. Waiting for our next opportunity. Feel free to say hello in the chat. There we go, new high day, nice blue candle there. Yes, heading up as well. The Dow's looking a little bit mixed. Crude oil trying to bounce, pulling back there on gold. Still rising up to 920. I see NQ rising. I see profits on the way. I see NQ on the rise. Nice rise up, seriously. Why didn't I take that blue candle? It's kind of floating. Would have worked, obviously, but eh. Hey, John, good morning. How are you? How was your weekend? Good. Glad to hear that. I'm going to guess you caught some of this up move this morning here, John? Excellent, John. Excellent. Still trying to put it, well, now we're trying to pull back a little bit, maybe. Nope. Bounces off that 9, right back up. Gold tumbling again. Crude tumbling. Phillies lost 2 or 3 to the Pirates. Suddenly our bullpen has become shaky. Skeens didn't pitch this weekend. Yes. Things are going really well in game 1. We had 2 different 3-game, 3 run leads and blew both of them. In game 2, our offense just didn't show up. But now we have 3 against Minnesota. And the Phillies are even back to full strength now. Remuto finally back. So we have our lineup. Still rising up here up to 19,930. Gold dead dropping again, back under 2,400, down to 23.95. Big drop on gold. Wow, whoosh on gold. Gold's trying to bounce. No, I didn't watch him. I'll have to try and catch video of it. I heard that Dombrowski was up there for Leland. Yeah, the Phillies had considered hiring Leland when they were in their manager search when they actually ended up hiring Charlie Manuel. IQ pulls back. Q breaks the 9 and the 20 at the same time. And Q bounces back up through those same EMAs. Right back up. Morning, G-Man. Hey, maybe. Hey, David, how's it going? All right. I don't think she's going to move the market unless she says she's not going to run. Yawning. Letting yawns escape my lips again. Purple candle. Through the 9. Sniffs the 20. Short off of that. Breaks the 20. Not a clean break. Nope, 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 nope. ATR is about 5. We'll move the ATR up to our band. I mean, we'll move the profit target up to our band. Can't move the ATR. It's not how that works. Let's try to bounce. Oh, yep. It's going to bounce there. If it gets to the 9 amount. We are 45 minutes till the bell. Bounces back off the 9, still hanging here on both EMAs. Trying to see if it wants to drop for me. Drop it like it's hot. To purple. Ooh. Came within 2 ticks of my target there. Just drop. Really? There we go. Target hit. Technically, I should just move the stop to the top of that purple candle and reset my target, because maybe down even all the way to that 100 EMA, because that was a purple candle entry. But I think we're going to bounce a little bit first. Well, we have 2 wins on the day. Smaller wins, but wins they are. We're up 130. There's the bounce. Gold trying to head up, trying to reclaim 2,400. Oil still falling. It's broken 78. Morning, Chris. How are you? Continues to fall here, down to 912. Popping up. Slow grind. Definitely not moving as much as we saw last week. But we might see that after the bell. After the bell. Wow, I just saved y'all from hearing the absolute hugest sneeze that probably would have blew all your ears out. I haven't heard that they're still having problems with TradeDay. It may just be backed up. TradeDay gets backed up easily. Not a lot of news coming out with their Discord being shut off. They have a system thingy. System status. See if there's anything. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, they are. They used to be some of the best. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything on their help center and status updates thing about any additional TradeDay issues. Nice fall here, although it's very slow. 908. I mean, technically this was a trigger, but it went from. Yeah. See where it goes. And that's why I didn't take it. Look at the bounce. A little bounce. Let it bounce. Oh, big bounce. I like big bounces, and I cannot lie. And right back down. Top of the hour. Come up here in 20 seconds. Tries to bounce back up. Stagnant here around 911. Nice pop on gold. Less than 30 minutes till the bell. Wow. Haven't had more than 8 people here in the first hour. Wonder what the heck happened. Did I say something that offended everybody and they ran away, or what? Nice pop, blue candle. Guess I should have taken it. That was my first real miss of the day, not taking that blue candle. It was kind of iffy for me, but it was above my signal line and all that. So I could have got, 5, 10, whatever. That's okay. We'll get our next one. Just hang in here. So on Thursday, I accidentally bought a Bulenox account. Now, you might wonder, how do you accidentally buy a Bulenox account? Well, you hit save when you put in your cart thing, and save ends up meaning process the transaction. So I bought a 50K Bulenox. So I said, screw it. On Friday, I just kind of YOLO doing 5 contracts at a time, 4 trades, and I got profit target in 1 day. I still need to trade 4 more days, open and close a micro. But now I'm a Bulenox fund. I will be a Bulenox funded trader as well. Good morning, JJR. So current status, I have 1 funded account with Apex, 3 with Topstep, and we'll have 1 with Bulenox. Goal for the rest of this month, I want to get my funded futures account. I want that to funded, and I want to get the other 2 Topsteps to funded. That'll give me 8 funded accounts across 4 firms. Then once I see I can keep them and start taking some payouts, I'll add 2 more of my funded futures, copy trade that. So far this morning, we're 2 for 2 in this MyFundedFutures eval. Small gains, total of 130 bucks. And then 1 for 1 on Apex on a gold trade for 105.38 after commissions. Shooting up. New high day. Getting closer to the highs from Friday. Oh, looks closer than it is, though. About still 40 points or so away on NQ. I see NQ rising. Remember, we're streaming tonight, Asia session. We're going to test something tonight. I'm going to try it out. I'm going to try simulcasting to the Discord at the same time. See if that works. We get some more interest going in the streams. "20 minutes from the bell. We'll see how Ace is feeling today. Hopefully he's feeling better. Purple candle. Could be enticing. Could be. Maybe. Maybe, baby. It's enticing. Quick pullback. Short. Yep, popping right back up. Oh, there we go. Come on down. Come on down. At 5. My goal is by the end of the month 8. Come on, drop. And it bounces. Dang it. I'll end up copy trading at least oh, there we go. Oh, why are we getting all whippy here? Shot down, shot back up. I'll end up copy trading the top steps. Morning, Burrow. How are you today? Stopped out, just gave back my gains. That sucked. We're 15 minutes to the bell. How's it going, Burrow? Watch it come back down now that it stopped me out. So for some reason, my streams have officially died. Only 6 people here. Haven't been above 10 all morning. I was noticing the same on Friday. And I just don't know why. I know I'm not that entertaining, but hey, Speed Racer, how you doing? Yeah, the thing is, though, I haven't been in this far in this valley, Speed Racer, since like my first month of streaming, and I'm going on 3 years. To average less than 10? Seriously, I gotta go back to my first couple months. Morning, Ace. How you feeling? I'm doing good, thanks, Ace. And hey, Mrs. Ace, how you doing? Why would my face help the stream? I'm curious of that. Why you feel that way? When I first read that, when I said put your mug up, I'm like, I do have a MightyOxTrading mug, but yeah. Problem is, when you're on stream for 3 hours, like I am, I'm gonna end up doing something stupid, like picking my nose, or I don't know. No, and I appreciate the suggestion. Seriously, I mean, I've thought about it, and I've had other people tell me that. I just, I don't know. I'll consider it. I just don't know if I want to be. We'll think about it. Hey, tipped, rising up. Absolutely, JJR always. New high day. Yeah, volatility was huge last week, Burrow, and my numbers went down. Jingles? What are you talking about? What, you mean my singing? Wow. Okay. Today's opening bell is brought to you by MyFundedFutures. MyFundedFutures launched their new starter plans at the beginning of July, and they are hot, hot, hot. The best plans, best accounts, whatever you want to call them, in futures. 50K accounts, $76 all in. That is the cheapest in futures. No funded setup fees. Easy eval. You can pass in one day. No consistency rules. No minimum trading days. End of day drawdown. No setup fees. You have a path to live. Everything good about futures trading is in these accounts. Check them out. Video link is in the video description below. No, he means like my NQ, my singing. So pulls back. No, Ace. He asked if I was open to constructive criticism, and I said yes. So let's. I appreciate it. I I want to hear what people have to say. I mean, if there's only going to be like 5 people here every day or whatever, then there's no use in me continuing to do it. I can go to being 100% serious. We can drop the memes. We can drop the singing, and just be 100% on point. Hanging here at 948, just under 950. 954s are high, correct? 954s are high. 954s are high. Going long 30 seconds before the bellies? You sure you're feeling okay? There's the bell. Quick drop. Down 22. Wow, big drop. Wow, down to almost down to the 100. Big sell-off. Got up to 959 quarter, and now it's dropped 35 points or so. Breaks through the 100. Well, it's kind of hanging on the 100. Continue to fall. Ooh, wow. I'm looking for a bounce. Taking a chance here. Big chance. Out. Boom. There we go. Read that good. Well, sorry, read that well. We got, not sure what we got there. 901 to 911. Oh, we got 10 points. Excellent. 10-point trade on there. Right back down. Still think I'm going to try and bounce up again. Thank you, Chris. Thank you, Ace. Still looking for a bounce. I still think we're going to bounce again. It's broken 900 down to 887. Long. Target hit. 10 points. Boom. 893 to 903. That was a blue candle. Technically, I should probably get back in, but I'm not going to retest those orders, especially with the ZMA sitting right there. Dow really flying right now. Mid caps up. Gold shot up, shooting back down. Blue candle would have worked, obviously. G-Man go boom. Looks like NQ's rising. ES is 8 points off of its Friday high. NQ still lagging about 40 points off its Friday high. NQ trying to get back up to its high day. New high day, I think, right there, right, yes. It's going for that Friday high. That blue candle bounce was perfect. It's gone 62 points in 4 minutes off that blue candle. Yep, just broke Friday's high. Congratulations, JJR. That's wonderful. Pulls back, hit 979. Wow, that's a double top from Friday. Let's see if it blows through at 979.75 was Friday's Globex high. And that's a hit within a tick of that. Yep, I can offer you a Bulenox for 1750. Solid blue candle here. Let's see what happens. It's sitting on the 9 EMA. Falls back right before the candle close. Yeah, that's don't like it. Purple. Breaking the 9 and the 20. 100 sitting there about 15 points away. Back up. Nope, there we go. Goes away. And blue candle bounce. I don't like blue, purple, blue. I don't like that towel, not the towel. But wow. Whoosh. That's okay. No problema. Lately, there's a lot more issues with Apex than there has been news. Nice rise up again. New high day, 985. Can it reclaim 20,000? To 996. Broke through 20,000. Nah, nothing today. Well, I mean, Chris is not getting a reset. His reset hasn't been processed that he paid for on Friday. But other than that, we haven't heard of anything. ES has hit its Friday high now. NQ is well above its Friday high. Thursday high, 2162. Q hanging here at 20018. Short take it there. There we go. Boom. That was almost 13 points. From 20,011.75 down to 19,999. What's party like? It's 19,999. That's a pretty good take. It bounces back up. And now it's going down further. I originally had my target set at 20 points. It would have got there. Good. Just keep your same mind frame, JJR. You'll get there. Try to bounce again. Curling up. High's been 2026, 20,026.75. Purple candle there, playing with the 9. G-Man's having electrical problems. He's shorting. That purple candle's teasing me if it stayed above the 9, so I am not going to jump in there. Hey, livestock, welcome. How are you doing today? Ooh, EMD dropping like a rock over there. Wow. I would have got 10 points if I had taken that purple, but see, it was just, I mean, it was like 11 points that bounced. Oh, glad to have you. G-Man go boom. And down. Yep, that was a great short there, G-Man. Dow dying. Everything is kind of dying right now. Everything besides, well, crude. Crude bounced. Everything else is dead. There's a bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Thought it was dip, strip, and rip. Purple, possibly. If we jump in here, I'm going to target that 100 EMA. Went away right at the end. Look at that bounced. Bounces off the 20. It's dropping. There we go. That would have worked. There it is. Look at that. I said I'll target the 20, I mean the 100, and there it just hit it. Dang. It didn't give me the signal I wanted, but it worked. Look at that drop. Gonna bounce here though. Sorry, bounced 10. Trying to break that 100. It's just kind of sitting there. I'll be very surprised if this doesn't bounce up back up to the 9 EMA in the next candle or two, and then back down if it wants to continue down. So far, I'm wrong. Let's see. I guess not. Oh, color me surprised. Down to 19,930. Still no RJ. Hope he didn't marry a black widow. There's the bounce. If I only have 7 people here during the morning stream, I can't imagine what the evening streams are going to be like. Yeah, I mean, it did pop. I expected a pop, although this not as big of a pop as I thought right now yet. Still struggling with the 100 EMA on my NQ. Yeah, right back down. Purple candles. Technically, I should take that. Like that, technically, I should take that. But oh, look at that. So it's hanging right on that EMA. Now it's going to work. Yep. Now we're heading back down to see if it breaks 19,900. Caught 6 points on the Topstep eval on that bounce. I have no idea why I felt it was going to bounce there though, except for the big old purple candle that seemed larger than the rest. Still trying to bounce Samoa. Samoa. Yes, yeah, you do. The resets do not change your rebuild date. You'd be better off just waiting until it resets and it rebuilds, and then you get the free reset. Okay. Just remember that you do get a free reset when it renews. EMD trying to bounce. Yeah, if your account is blown at the time of reset with Apex and with many others, not all of them, but many other props, they'll give you a free reset when the rebuild occurs. Yeah. They just automatically give you a fresh account. Yep. A bunch of them are that way. Apex, Topstep, Earn the Trade on the Trader Career Path, many others. Yeah, we're trying to bounce back up, and ES bouncing better than NQ. I would assume it is, but Apex is the most extensive NQ. NQ, yeah, FAQ that I've ever seen. But I assume it is. Here it is, right from the thing. If your account is in failed status at renewal, we will reset it for free. And G-Man booms again. Nice pop up. ES gave me a blue candles there. NQ did not. Dow with a nice pop there as well. It's each month, JJR. You know, if you blow it, you know, if you get the reset after July 26th and you blow it and you wait till August 26th, they'll reset it again. Even on weekends, G-Man. Nice rise back up. Reminder once again, we will be streaming this evening, 2 hours, Asia, 7 to 9 Eastern. Appreciate that, Ace. Ox go boom. So I saw this. Hold on. I didn't take it on the MyFundedFutures account. I'll show my Topstep chart here in a minute. So I saw this. My RSI lines were 37.37 apart, points, whatever you want to say. So this little red candle. So boom. Hold on one second. Here's my Topstep X chart. You can see I entered there on the little red candle, 964.75, and took that short down to 946, 18 points. So now I'm up 484 on the day on the this Topstep Eval. 2 wins. So right there. Having a good day and reading the chart well. Like I said, when I see these numbers when these lines get far apart, you almost always means a reversal. And this is a strong reversal. And you can see it here. Now here, this is where it didn't really, I kept saying I thought it was going to pull back to the 9 and it never did. But it was this one here. You can see here where I picked up those 2 wins earlier was off the same thing. I had someone actually edit this indicator for me to show me the number difference. And when it's above 30, you can see that got above 40. It's almost always a reversal. Not always, of course. There's nothing definite. But I've used that now 3 times today for wins. Thank you, John. Well, I mean, if you're feeling better, I'm not sure it's worth getting the test anymore at this point, Ace. But I guess it wouldn't hurt anything either. Nice pop back up. So combined now between my 2 accounts today, well, the 2 accounts I've traded today. Actually, I traded 3 accounts today. I have a total of 8 trades taken and 7 wins for about $1,200 total gain. They're all evals. There was no funded account. Well, no, I lied. The Apex is a funded, and that one's up 105. Absolutely, Ace. Thank you for being here, my friend. Take it slow. You too, Ace. Pulls down. Purple candle. Don't trust it there. It is technically a trigger, but let's see what happens. I have a feeling I regret not taking it, but I don't like it tangled up there, so we'll see. Got to figure out what banner to put at the top of the page to replace Mr. Blue Sky up there. Second purple trying to form here. Let's see what happens. You know who doesn't like lower highs? Cheech and Chong. Pops up with a blue. So you see I'm staying out of this mess. Sitting there. Bouncing off the EMAs. All three EMAs tangled up together right now. Yep. Kind of sideways here for a bit. Gold, another big fall. See how far gold has fallen today. Copper falling too. Metals not having a good day. Sorry. And down on gold. Dow's bouncing a bit. Crude's pumping back up some. Here it comes back up. Some trying. Boom, 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 boom. Nice rise back above 950. See, there's just no signal for me there. This mess. I mean, this blue candle would have worked, but it was just, that was more likely to chop than work. I'm just going to look at a 30-second chart real quick to see if it would have been any better for me. Not really. I mean, it's kind of pausing here at 962. Ten minutes ago, got 964, so kind of a double top here. I got 967, yet pulling down. Beautiful doji there. Look at that fall. Wow. Hanging here, 948. Whoa, we're down to 4 people. Wow, look at gold is dying. Absolutely dying. Blue candles sitting on those bands. I'm not real enamored by it. I don't even know if I'm using that word right. This looks like I should have been enamored. Nice pop. Look at that. Ooh, wow. Yep, that went 20 points there. Back up to that 967.70 area. See if it can get through. If it gets through here, and it has up to 980. Might like to run back up to the highs. G-Man did say it was going to be a rally day today. And in G-Man we trust. Yeah. For Money, aka Robin, made another 7 grand today. Hits that band, pulls back. Big pullback. We're actually starting to see an increased ATR here. Bigger candles. Thank you very much, John. You know how they do. That's one I've never had an account with. Surprisingly. Up to 985. We'll reclaim 20,000 again. Again. $9.97. ES back up to 56.03. And whoosh, broke through 20,000. All about the Benjamins, baby. Or I don't know what's on the big bill in Canada. Will they ever? I mean, there's been rumors about them getting TradeDay, but I mean, I don't know. From what I understand, existing firms, it is a tedious and expensive and long process to add in TradeDay, which is why Earn to Trade doesn't have it, but their new one does. And TradeDay's the one that never talks. We never hear anything from them, so we have no idea what their plans are. Possible short here. Where's my Topstep? Maybe not. Bounces right back up. Glad I didn't take that purple candle. It was a little close to the 9. And also I couldn't find my Topstep chart to take it. So procrastination helped. Our high day was 20.026. We just hit 20.018 4 candles ago. It's trying to get back above that. Gold with a big rebound there after it lost its mind earlier. Dow with a big move up. Everything was sad earlier. Now it's all happy again. Hesitating. This looks like it wants to come back down. Maybe not. Maybe so. We're not going to jump in. Purple candle, not convincing though. It's not breaking the 9. There it breaks the 9. Doesn't hold it though. There it goes. There it goes. I'm in short on Topstep. Took it off 5.25. That account's now up 586 on the day. Still struggling here, trying to say where it wants to go. Sitting right on 20,000. Yes, sitting at 5606. Excuse me 1 second. I'm back. Did you miss me for that 15.2 seconds? Sitting here right on the 20 EMA, it's slowly falling. Slowly falling. That's probably true. I haven't seen that, but I didn't really look for it either. There's a couple places that do that. It makes sense. Wow, big whoosh down here. Uh, Maybe I know I just saw it recently. Maybe it was MyFundedFutures. I also saw recently that Take Profit Trader does not charge you the professional data fees for any exchanges that you use in their live sim portion. Thought that was interesting. So maybe MyFundedFutures that I've seen of that. I'll have to look later on. I think Blusky does that too. Blusky, I believe, deducts the fees right from your balance. Don't quote me on that though. It's only like 6 people here, G-Man, so I doubt it. Nice bounce off the 100. Wow. Big bounce. That wasn't that big. It's 15 points. Looked bigger than what it is. That's what she said. Yeah, I should have trusted that purple candle more there because of the double top. I mean, I'm doing pretty good. Bouncing off these EMAs. Coming right back down. And right back up. Five minutes to go. Nice blue candle bounce here. Nope, can't get through the EMAs. Just trying to pop again. Remember, I'm on this evening, 7 to 9. Maybe shorter than that if we only have like 2 people there. Ooh, maybe right back down. And maybe not. So good day today. We're up on 3 different accounts. Green. Ooh, whoosh off that purple. That was a perfect purple. And I didn't read it right. Well, I did. I read it, but that 100 EMA kind of scared me away. So I do want to thank everyone for joining me today. We'll be back, well, tonight. And then if not tonight, then tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. And we'll see you then. Bye. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.